Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. So today I want to share with you a trade that is currently ongoing on the EURGBP currency pair. So this trade I have secured it at break even. So whatever happens now, I will not lose money on this trade. In this video we will see together the analysis before taking the position, the trade's evolution up to now, and finally the trade management until the closure. In short, we will follow the trade together from start to finish. Let's go. So currently we are on my Discord. It's on my Discord that I send all my positions. Okay. So as we can see here, we are on the currency pair EURGBP. Okay. We are on the 4-hour chart. Here we have the stop loss to set in MT5, the stop loss to enter in the position calculator to calculate the risk. Okay. Here we have the take profit. As we can see here, we have the RR, the risk reward. So I risk 1 to potentially recover 3.26%. Okay. The type of position is a market sell. Here, money management is not an option, but a very important obligation. Okay. And here we have the disclaimer, as you can see. Okay. So it's simple. The position was taken on March 4th, as you can see here. Okay, so on March 4th it was taken. So here is the chart. So the position, it was taken here, okay, at the close of the support, as you can see right there, quite simply. Okay, after that, as we can see, the position was taken on March 4th. Then a few days later it was March 10th. Okay, as we can see here, March 10th. Okay, now the trade management for those currently in position on this market, update the currency pair EURGBP, the stop loss. Okay, so move the stop loss to 0.86791. Exit zone number 1 validated, trade secured at break even, as we can see. Okay, so the position was taken here on March 4th. Okay. So as we can see, the market retraced into negative drawdown. Especially when you are in negative drawdown, do not close your trade. Stay true to your strategy and your trading plan. Personally, I stayed on drawdown for more than 3 days. Okay, as we can see here with nice indecision candles. Okay, then the market came to break the support here. It made a pullback followed by a strong bearish impulse. Okay, and as we can see here on the chart, we see that the market reached exit zone number 1. Okay, so what I did is simple. I moved my stop loss to 0.86791. So the stop loss was moved to break even, quite simply. So currently the trade is ongoing, right? Okay, so these are the guns that are currently in progress. Okay, here we are currently on trading view. Okay, so currently the market is open. So today is March 11th, as we can see, okay, on the chart. So as we can see, it's simple. So here the market is clearly oscillating between the resistance here and exit zone number 1. Okay, so it's simple. So if the price breaks through exit zone number 1, let's go to exit zone number 2. So in any case, my stop loss, I will move it to just above of the resistance. Okay, so if ever I see that the market does something like this, hope there, something like this there, it comes back, hope, then it comes back down. From there I will secure my stop loss here. Okay, after that I will secure it step by step, quite simply. So currently the trade is still running, so stay tuned for the next steps of this trade, quite simply. So I am quite confident in my scenario. This scenario seems to be following the plan, so I will simply let the market work for me.
I am on the 4-hour chart, so with that there is no problem. Okay, so don't hesitate to leave a comment under the video, subscribe and drop a like for the next video on the EURGBP currency pair. I'll see you soon on Process Trading Live.